Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Explore the world of no-code app development with this Kodular mobile app development platform review. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own Android apps without getting tangled in code, then stick around. Check the description below for helpful links to Kodular and other relevant resources. Kodular is a drag-and-drop platform packed with features specifically designed for beginners and non-coders eager to build Android apps. Its interface takes inspiration from the well-known MIT App Inventor but goes further, offering a broader range of tools and integrations. This makes Kodular ideal not only for students learning the ropes, but also for hobbyists bringing their app ideas to life and entrepreneurs seeking rapid prototyping. At its core, Kodular empowers users to prioritize functionality over coding knowledge. It achieves this through a blocks-based programming system that's both intuitive and easy to grasp. A key strength of Kodular lies in its extensive component library. This provides access to powerful features such as ad mob monetization, various payment gateways, and advanced multimedia tools. Whether your goal is a simple educational app or a fully monetized mobile game, Kodular offers the modules to support your vision. Furthermore, Kodular supports Firebase integration for robust database management, location services for GPS-enabled apps, and highly customizable layouts, allowing you to create a polished and professional final product. The platform also boasts an integrated companion app for real-time testing, streamlining the development process and ensuring your app functions smoothly on actual devices. A vibrant Kodular community and comprehensive documentation are readily available, making troubleshooting and learning a breeze for users of all skill levels. From my own experience, Kodular shines in its accessibility and the creative freedom it offers. However, it's worth mentioning that some monetization features and export options may require a paid subscription. Also, while Kodular focuses primarily on Android app development, it's important to know that exporting to iOS isn't directly supported, which might be a drawback for some developers. In conclusion, Kodular is a powerful yet user-friendly tool for creating Android apps efficiently. Whether you're a beginner just starting your app development journey or an experienced developer looking to quickly prototype an idea, Kodular is a versatile platform deserving of your consideration. Ready to begin building? Explore Kodular today using the links provided in the description below.